A quick tip for when you're running your Facebook or TikTok ads also, your targeting, just leave it completely open, no targeting, no interest group at all. You have to of course choose countries that you can deliver your products to or your service to, but otherwise no interest. Because think about it, especially with Facebook, Facebook's been around a lot longer than TikTok. Think about all the pages and things you have liked in all those years you've been on Facebook or Instagram and TikTok also. Probably there's a lot of things that you used to like that is not the same anymore. So that's why open targeting works a lot better, because the algorithm both on Facebook and TikTok, it knows much better what it is that you are actually currently liking, rather than what all the interest groups that you are registered in, that you liked 20 years ago, and also what you are liking now. You're in so many different interest groups, and when you're targeting interest groups, then you're also targeting all those people who liked that interest 20 years ago. So that's why open targeting works so much better now, because the algorithm works so much better, knows what the users want. So that's what you should use when you're creating your ads. Just use open targeting and let the creative do the targeting, meaning that when you're doing the creative, the video, the picture, make it something that your ideal client or customer likes. Make the video or picture interesting for them, and that's why it's going to attract them. And the algorithm will also find the people who likes that video or picture that you created. That's how it works.